All right, what is up, guys? Sorry I took a long break, but I'm back. Today I'm gonna be doing my friend Kevin's hair.
What's up?
I'm gonna be washing his hair from start to finish, using the products that I use, doing the same routine that I use. Um, his hair is a little bit different from mine. His hair is like a little bit denser and like a little bit finer, and also shorter. So
This 4C is really thick as far as density. It's really thin as far as each follicle itself. And it's low porosity too. So
low porosity. I'm also low porosity, so we can definitely connect on that,
that's about it.
But yes, so we're gonna start the tutorial. He's gonna wet his hair, and we're gonna come back and show you guys the first step. All right, see you in a bit. All right, so we're back. Kevin has just rinsed his hair with water. The first step I'm gonna do is I'm going to shampoo his hair. The product that I'm using is Kinky Curly Come Clean shampoo. You can get this at Target, online, $9.99. So I'm just gonna wet his hair a little bit more because it already started drying. And he's low porosity, so this is warm water. His hair is fairly wet, so I'm gonna go in with some of the shampoo and just, yeah.
So why don't you come around and show me what I want for you?
So he's gonna rinse this out, and then we'll come back for the second step. We back. He just rinsed out the Kinky Curly shampoo. So step two.
It doesn't really feel.
Yeah, how does your hair feel? By the way.
No, it don't feel. It don't feel stripped.
It doesn't feel stripped, right?
I thought it would, but it doesn't.
It don't. Right,
yeah.
crazy.
Yeah. It
Yeah.
actually feels really soft.
Yeah. So this shampoo, y'all, is bomb. I'm gonna make a separate review on this. I've been using this for like 2 months, and I love it. So I'm gonna make a separate review talking about this in another video. So he says his hair feels very soft. So now for step two, what we're gonna do is we're gonna follow up. So the Kinky Curly was a clarifying shampoo. This is a moisturizing shampoo. This is the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. You can also get this at Target, Sally's, and it retails for $10.
Now, why do you shampoo and then use this?
So that was more so to clean your hair. This is also going to clean your hair, but this is also going to put a little bit of moisture back in. Okay. So it's basically just making sure your hair is clean and then putting a little bit of moisture back in the hair. I don't know why it works, but it works. Some of y'all are probably like, why does he use 2 shampoos? Seems redundant, but no, it works. We're just going to see what happens. So I'm going to wet his hair again some more.
That makes sense, because you know how sometimes you put 2 passes of the shampoo in your hair?
Right.
You wash it.
You lather it twice. Yeah. Like I'm possessed or something. All right, so he's gonna rinse this out, and then we're gonna come back and show you guys step 3.
Oh, this feels great. Like, ooh.
All right, so he just rinsed out the second shampoo, which was, just to remind you guys, the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. How does your hair feel?
This feels amazing, I'm not gonna lie. Like really good. Almost not even like a shampoo, almost like a conditioner kinda, actually.
Yeah, he was saying how slippery it was. Like when we had the shampoo in his hair, he was like, I can almost detangle with it. But anyway, so now for step 3, we're gonna go in with the conditioner. My conditioner of choice is Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle. That's a tongue twister.
Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle. Say that 5 times fast.
So this is $3.99 at Trader Joe's. Luckily, I live near Trader Joe's, but I guess you can get this on Amazon. It's a little bit marked up. But yeah, so I'm gonna put this on his hair, and then we're gonna detangle as well. So his hair is like dry again. So once again, going in with the water.
Right, baby, do everything to me. You know what I say. I want your body on top of me. On top of me.
Okay, so now I've applied the conditioner. This is a very, very important step. I've applied the conditioner. You don't want to start detangling his hair until you add more water. So normally, like, you would apply it in the shower and then just like quickly dunk your head back under the water. What this is going to do is like distribute the product throughout his hair more and then make it easier to comb. So because we're not in the shower, I'm just going to take this water bottle and just spray a little bit more.
Rubbing on your thigh side. Notice what you have for me. And I want.
I'm gonna take this Felicia Leatherwood brush or whatever and just start from ends to roots. And I actually switched to a paddle brush just because it's just a lot easier.
That like Frederick Douglass?
All
Nah, my hair ain't long enough.
right, so Kevin has just rinsed out the conditioner. So that was step 3. And now for the 4th and final step, we're gonna style his hair. The product that I will be using, this is a botanical gel that I make. I'm going to eventually start selling it. Something similar to this, like Kinky Curly or Uncle Funky's daughter, Curly Magic, just any type of like aloe vera botanical gel. So that's what I'm going to be using, is a gel. You can even use like Eco Styler or Wetline if you want. That's totally up to you. However, for his hair, I'm going to use a botanically based gel. So we're going to get started. Going to go ahead and unscrew the lid. And once again, water. We're going to wet his hair. So I have like about, you can't even see it. Okay, there you go. I'm just going to put it on.
Feel the pressure rise until the sun is rising. Love me right, baby. Do everything to me. You know what I say. I want your body on top of me.
I want to say that's enough gel.
Ooh. Can you zoom in? I want to see what that looked like.
So he sat it under the dryer for a little bit. His hair is not all the way dry. I would say like 80% dry. And these are the final results. I'm just going to do a 360. You can see a little bit of product. Okay, that's a little better. So you can see that there's some curl definition. Y'all see that? You see the texture. I'll let Kevin speak a little bit about it. So how do you feel? How do you like your hair?
I actually like it. It looks like a Jerry curl kind of to me. I don't know. I'm really just concerned about like how I'm asleep, how it's gonna look when I have to like refresh it in the morning. Like that'd be a whole video in itself. So we'll see. I like it though.
Okay, so mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished.
All right, guys, that pretty much concludes our tutorial. If you guys like this type of content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm back. I'm gonna be posting more videos, so expect more content.
And me too.
Yeah, and I'm actually gonna link you guys to his page because he has a YouTube channel as well.